What's up, guys? So it's been a nightmare of a day. I've already recorded this video before, but OBS didn't want to capture the screen recording, so we have to do it again, which is so fucking annoying, but it is what it is. But in today's video, I'll show you how you can build a beautiful website like this using an open source LLM, an open source autonomous agent, and a website with a bunch of free templates that you can just steal. And this looks amazing. It's not a functioning website, it's just a prototype, but it goes to show what's possible with open source, right? And you don't even need a strong hardware, like a strong, powerful computer to be able to do this, right? You can run it on your MacBook or whatever laptop you have. It is possible, right? So what we're gonna use is 21 First Dev for all the templates. We're gonna use Hermes agent as our autonomous agent in the CLI. And then we're going to use DeepSeek, let me see if I can find it, V4 Pro as our LLM and running this command. So what I want to show you first is my actual chat in the CLI with Hermes. It deleted a bunch of my messages and we ran into a lot of issues, but eventually we got the job done. It's running on DeepSeek V4 Pro. It gave me the website in localhost 3000 and it has a 1 million token context window, which is amazing, awesome. So this was the prompt that I gave it. I'd like you to help me create a demo website for a YouTube video where you can scroll all the way down, use these skills. These are going to be listed in my free Skool community, by the way, so just click the link in my bio or in the description and you'll be able to find those. The repos directory is at XYZ. Set the website up in localhost so I can preview and run this command to clone when building the website, right? And it's this command right here. It's going to install the package and it's going to be able to clone it for you so it looks like this, right? And it's not going to be guessing, it's going to use the actual code base to create the website. So if you want to replicate it exactly as it is, you need to copy this command, right? And it's a trusted website, so don't worry about running in any unsafe commands or anything like that. It's completely safe. And after I ran this prompt, it just gave me the website and it looks amazing, right? But right now, I'll show you how to install Hermes first. So I've run into a lot of issues installing Hermes agent. I hope it doesn't happen again. But if it does, just know it's going to work for you. Just because it isn't working for me right now doesn't mean it won't work for you. I think I have some issues with my terminal right now because I've been going through this process a few times and I've been reinstalling Hermes, which is making my terminal lag and run into a bunch of issues and errors and bugs, but it probably won't happen for you. So what you want to do, go to this link, you'll find it in my Skool community, copy this command, open a new terminal, run it here. This is going to happen and it's going to go through the entire installation process. So this might take a couple of minutes, barely 2 minutes. It's going to go pretty quickly. So it's just going to install everything. And yeah, it's just an open source AI agent by News Research. Absolutely amazing. It's like a better version of OpenClaw in my opinion. It actually learns and gets better over time. So it says it right here, an autonomous agent that lives on your server, remembers what it learns and gets more capable the longer it runs. It actually learns from what it does all the time and it improves as well. So it's amazing. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you to either do a quick setup or full setup. Just gonna do a quick one. Then you have all the models that you can choose here. I just want to choose a llama. Then I want to choose DeepSeek V4 Pro Cloud, the current one. Click on that. I don't want to set up messaging right now. I want to skip that and set it up later. And then this is where I usually have issues. But just know you won't have any issues. Like I've been reinstalling it and going through the motions and the process over and over again. And I think it's just running into a lot of issues for my terminal, which is why it isn't working. But if I hit enter right now, we'll see what happens. If it's not working, it's gonna work for you guys, but it's just not working for me. So it's lagging a little bit. But anyways, once it is installed, once you've ran this command, in the future, you never have to run this again unless you wanna set it up. All you gotta do from there on out, just go to llama.com, DeepSeek V4 Pro, copy this command right here, and this is the command you're actually going to run in your terminal. It's not going to work for me because my terminal has issues, but you're not going to have those issues. Proceed, and then it just stops there. But once you once you open up this command, it's actually going to load up Hermes for you, and then you're going to see Hermes agent. You need to make sure it says DeepSeek V4 Pro. Then you want to CD into the right directory. So say claude.md/repos. So it actually opens up the right directory and you can actually work where you want to work in your computer. Then after that, all you got to do is run this prompt right here, right? To create a beautiful website like that. Download these skills that are going to be in my free Skool community and copy the actual command that you want to run it for. So for this specific template, it's going to be this command. And this prompt is going to go through something like this and create a beautiful website. It might not hit it in the first go. And if you run into any issues, if you don't get a desired result, just speak to Hermes, tell it, hey, I didn't like this part and this part and that part. Please change this and this and this. It's actually very, very good at understanding what it did wrong. And the reasoning behind DeepSeek V4 Pro is pretty solid. So it's going to be able to identify what it did wrong and actually improve that and create something amazing for you. So you might need to give it another 2 or 3 prompts before it does a perfect job. And then eventually you're gonna get there. So this is the prompt that you need. These are the skills that you need. Copy the command, paste it into the prompt and run it, and you're gonna get an amazing looking website. But obviously before you do that, install Hermes agent, then run this command right here. Then after you've set everything up, all you gotta do is just type in Hermes and then it's gonna work. You don't need to go ahead and run this actual command all the time. Just run Hermes, make sure it's the right model it's using, the right LLM, then you should be good to go. But again, it doesn't work for me right now, so I'm just gonna close all these terminals. I'm gonna close this one too, and I'm gonna close this one. So yeah, that should be it. If you wanna run all of this in something like this setup, it's going to be inside VS Code. So just go to VS Code in Google, click on the first link, and download that. You can run it in just the Mac terminal or your Windows terminal. You don't need VS Code, but I like VS Code because I can run Claude Code at the same time. I can see all my files here and I can open up my CLI on the right hand side. So it's more convenient for me. I can just do everything in one place. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you install Hermes agent. I do recommend installing this on either a VPS or setting up like a Mac Mini so it doesn't live on your computer. Because at the end of the day, it is open source and it's very prone to hacking. And yeah, just be very, very careful with downloading this into your main machine, right? I'm gonna delete this after this video. So I'm not, like right now for the purpose of this video, I'm just running it on my computer. But please don't do that. Either use a VPS or a Mac Mini. For VPS, you can use something like Hostinger. I'll include that in the YouTube description or the video description. Hostinger is very good for VPS. Or if you got the cash, just buy a Mac Mini. You can do that as well. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So stop relying on Claude Code only and Codex. You can actually do amazing things with open source agents and open source LLMs. They're not as good, but they're far cheaper, right? DeepSeek V4 Pro is free to run locally. It's gonna cost you money on cloud because you have to subscribe to Llama since you're using their servers. But it's very, very cheap. I'm running it on $20 per month. And if I go to my settings here and you can see my usage, this weekly usage lasts very long. So does the 5-hour usage window. So it's very much worth the money in my opinion. So it's very cheap to run the LLM. Hermes agent is 100% free. And obviously your terminal doesn't cost anything. So you can just install it there. And 21 First Dev is free as well. And then the final result is this. So if you run into any issues, if you run into this issue that I have run into with the terminal and Hermes and just setting everything up, unfortunately, you're gonna have to go through debugging hell. So just open up Claude Chat, screenshot everything you're running into, copy the actual output that the terminal is giving you, paste that into Claude Chat, and just go back and forth with Claude Chat until you solve the issue. I'm not that technical and I'm not a coder to understand exactly what the issue is and why that happens. But if you go back and forth with Claude Chat, it's eventually going to be able to solve that issue for you. So you're going to have to go into debugging hell if you run into this issue. I know I did. I had to do that. Hopefully you don't. Hopefully it just works in one shot and it doesn't run into any bigger issues. But yeah, that's it. If you run into any issues, do that and ask me in the comments down below or in my Skool community if you need my help with anything specifically. But that's it. That's it for me, guys. I hope this video was useful and helpful. Comment down below what else you want to see from me in the future. Join the free Skool community if you want even more value than what you're seeing on the YouTube channel. Other than that, I'll see you next time. And yeah, I hope you got some value. Cheers.